Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to Spilt a screen in your Android phone. So at first just open up any app and then tap on this recent button, then touch and hold on the apps and drop it to the here, and that's it. You can see Spilt screen option has been enabled successfully. Now you can open another apps from here. Just open any apps and here it is. Now you can use another method to enable Spilt screen mode. Just go back and then open up your settings app, then scroll down, then go to advanced features. From here go to multi window. From here you have to enable these three options: swipe for Spilt screen, swipe for pop-up view, and another is full screen in Spilt screen view. After enable these three options, you can use Spilt mode. For another method, you have to use your two fingers and swipe these two fingers from the bottom, and that's it. If I do it once again, just open up any apps and swipe your two finger from bottom to top. You can see it's enabled successfully, and from here you can now open another apps, and it's done. And that is how you can Spilt a screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.